Have you ever heard a ringing, buzzing or hissing sound that no one else can hear? This could be a condition called tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition where you hear sounds from inside your body rather than from an outside source. Tinnitus is often described as ringing in the ears, but it can also sound like buzzing, humming, grinding, hissing, whistling or even music. Here are some examples. While tinnitus can be unsettling, it's not usually a sign of anything serious, and it may improve on its own. Tinnitus can often occur with hearing loss, but sometimes people get it without any hearing loss. However, it can sometimes affect your daily life, making it hard to concentrate or sleep. If you regularly hear sounds in your ears, if your tinnitus is getting worse, or it's affecting your sleep, mood or concentration, it's important to speak to your healthcare professional. They can check for underlying causes such as an ear infection or earwax buildup and assess your hearing. Tinnitus can be challenging, but understanding it is the first step towards managing it. Frequent exposure to loud noises can be a risk factor for developing tinnitus. It's important to limit your exposure to loud noises or to wear hearing protection, such as earplugs or earmuffs. If you're concerned about tinnitus, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare professional. Remember, help is available.